Hello, entrepreneurs. Today, I will show you how to use ILN's innovative feature called Entry Form. This feature is designed for entrepreneurs or content creators who want to build their websites and share their ideas with the world. ILN's Entry Form is a multifaceted tool for content creation that adapts to whatever you're crafting, be it an insightful blog post or your daily to-do list. It streamlines the process so that posting your content becomes as easy as posting on social media. Every entry begins with a clear name, your headline to the world. The body weaves your narrative, empowered with formatting options like bold for emphasis, italics for expression, and headings to structure your thoughts. ILN also lets you add more details to your entry, such as the date and time of your event or the location of your business, making it easier for your audience to find you and join you. ILN also helps you to reach a wider audience by integrating your entry with other platforms, such as social media, email, or webinars. You can also use the customized access and collaboration feature to work with others on your content by inviting them to view, edit, or comment on your entries. ILN is a content management system and the perfect tool for entrepreneurs who want to build their website and share their ideas with the world. ILN offers a free plan for anyone who wants to try it out. But if you want to unlock more features and benefits, you should sign up for the Pro plan. The Pro plan gives you unlimited entries, storage, integrations, and collaborations, as well as premium support and analytics. You can sign up for the Pro plan by clicking on the link in the description below and get a 30-day free tryout. Don't miss this opportunity to take your content creation to the next level with ILN.